Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be discussing about range function in Python.
So range function is used to generate a sequence of values starting from 0 by default. So syntax for it is range start stop step size. So if you want to print a set of values, there will be a start, stop and step size. The starting position by default will be 0 and stop is ending position. The range of integer stops one element prior to stop. If stop is I, then it will be stop at exact I minus 1. For example, if you are giving a range of 5, then it will stop I 5 minus 1, that is 4. So it will print the element till 4. Step size increments by step size increments the step size. It will be the common interval between the stop and stop. If we do not mention any of the thing, by default it will be 1. Now, range of 5. If it is range of 5, we can print the elements from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if range of 1, 5, 2, then we can we are able to print the elements 1 to 3. If range is minus 1 to minus 5, so its value is minus 1 to minus 3. So try to execute this range function in our code editor. Print range of 5. So we'll try to follow the same cases which I have done in slide. So if I print range of 0 to 5, I'm getting a range as 0 to 5. Now, for I in range of 5, print I, now we could able to access its element. So if I give an print range of 5, so it will give an range start and stop value. In order to access its element, I can make use of for loop. So for I in range of 5, if you want to get the elements of range of 5, then you can make use of for loop. So for I in range of 5 means for I is 0 in range of 5, the first value will be printed as 0, then again it will be incremented, and 1 in range of 5, yes, and it will be printed as 1, and 2 in range of 5, so again print I, so 2 will be printed, and 3, 4, so on. So since fifth element won't be printed because it will be printed prior to last element, that is I minus 1. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. So that's how. Now let us print the elements. So this is case 1. And this is case 2. 1, 5, 2. If I print this, now you could able to get the elements 1, 9, 3. So here you could able to get right. So this is 1, 9, 3. That's what I have shown here. Now let us deal with case 3 for I in range of minus 1 to minus 5 with step size of minus 2. Then if I print this, you will get the values as minus 1 and minus 3. So that is the functionalities of range function. So this range function plays a major role for iterative loops, unlike for loop. So it will be commonly used there. So that's all for the day. Thank you.